Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Leadsleap. It's a free website where you could generate leads. Now, there's a couple of options. You could generate leads completely for free without upgrading to a pro membership, and I'll show you how to do that. So you just click on post credit ads. All right. You just put in your URL here. You have to put in a catchy title and some ad text here. All right. Now with this example, what you're gonna have to do is just click on these websites on the side, at least 10 of them. All right, and that way your ad will get shown. And I've seen people do this and still generate traffic, leads and sales to their business. Now, if you want to do this completely hands-on, if you have a little money, it's pretty inexpensive, then you just go to the pro ads here and you just click on add new ad. All right, then you just go down here, URL, put your title, put your text. Don't forget to add an image. All right, now so I have been posting ads on here. I have 4 different ads. All right, I have my text bot. I have another program in it. I'm getting real visits. I've joined this program a little over a month ago. I haven't even been promoting it that much. All right, and I'm already getting signups and leads to my business. For an example, I'll just go over here to I'm in my daily choice. All right, and this was on Monday, October 26th, and I joined this program on October 22nd. All right, so I'm getting website visits and already got a pre-enrollee sign up. All right, and I just have to send some information for him to get plugged in and get him to become an affiliate. All right, so this program does work, and it also has other cool features too. Let me get to that right now. You go to landing page builder, and that's completely free. You don't have to upgrade for that. All right, so let me just click on that. All right, and here's one of my web pages that I created for websites, and this is for another program I'm in. All right, let's go down further. Let's see my landing pages, and we're gonna go into edit launcher. All right, now this has like a basic layout. You go to different templates. You could choose one of these cool templates. You could edit the rows, add a widget. I do recommend adding a widget because they have ad bars at the bottom, and then you get credits, which turns into cash on that. All right, let's see. Now, as a pro member, you get a little bit of spillover with followers under you. So we're just gonna visit my followers right now. Okay, now this is, like I said, just in the past month. Okay, now these are the people that I personally got into the program. All right, I have 5 people, and this is what Leadsleap has placed under me as a pro member. This is only for pro members. All right, now once these people upgrade, I'll get a I believe it's 25% commission, or no, actually pro members, so it's 50% commission. So I'll get about $13.50 from each person per month as soon as these people start to upgrade, and it does add up over time. Now, if you are interested, go ahead and click on the link below. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.